Hello student, in the BCCA Sem, I am going to teach you C#.NET. Today discuss firstly the syllabus of C#.NET. In the unit 1, you learn the first topic introducing the C#. In the introducing the C#, what is C#, evaluations of their C#, how to evaluate the C#, characteristics of the C#, applications of the C#.NET, how the C#.NET is evolved from, evaluation is from C++ and the Java, and how does the C# is different from the C++, how does the C# is different from the Java. This is you have learned in introducing the C#. Second, understanding the .NET and the C# environment, the .NET framework, the common language runtime. What is the .NET framework? Their common language runtime, framework, base classes, .NET languages, various types of the .NET languages, benefits of the .NET, their approach, C# and the .NET. This is understanding the .NET and the .NET framework and the .NET environment than the C# environment. It is understanding the .NET. Then overview of C#, their introduction, how to write the C# simple program, their namespaces, various types of the namespaces, system types of the namespaces are used in the C#.NET programming, adding the comments, how to adding the aliases of the name, how to use the classes, passing the string object, write line method, various types of the methods are used in C#.NET programming. Then how to write the simple program, command line argument, main with how to main with the class programming, providing interactive input, multi-line main method, and the compile time errors, how to rectify it. This is learned in overview of the C#. Next is literals, variable and data type. What is the introduction? Literals, their variable, their data types, value type, their reference type, their literals, variables and data type. What is variable? Data types, value type, reference type, declaration type, initialization of the variable, default value, constant variable, scope of the variable, boxing and the unboxing. Next, operators and the expression. You know the various types of the operator, arithmetic operators, bitwise logical operators, their precedences, their associative, how to operate their type conversions, their various types of the type conversion, boxing method, unboxing method. These are also used in the C#.NET. This is the first unit. First unit is totally introductory unit. What is the C#.NET and their understanding the .NET, overview of the C#, the variables and the operators and the expression. Now see in the second unit in the decision making and the branching. You know the various types of the decision making statement, if statement, simple statement, if else statement, if else if ladder statement, then the switch statement, operator, decision making, looping, while loop, do while loop, for loop and the for each loop. It is learned in the decision making and the branching. Next is methods in C#. Various types of the method, declare, how to declare the method, their main method, invoking the methods, nesting method, method parameter, pass by value, pass by reference, the output parameter, variable argument list and the method overloading. How to the method overloading are used in the, this is learned in the method C. Then handling the array. What is array? One dimensional array you learn, how to create the array, two dimensional array, variable size array, manipulating the strings, creating the string method, inserting the string and comparing string, finding string, mutable string and the array of the string. It is learned in the second unit, decision making, methods and the array. This is you have learned in the second unit. In the third unit You learn the structures and the enumeration. Structures, what is structure? Structures used in with method. Difference between classes and the structure. Enumeration, what is enumeration type conversion. Next, classes and object. What is the class? Basic principle of the object oriented programming. How to define the class, adding the variable, adding method, member access modifier, creating the object, accessing the how the class member, then constructor, how to the overload the constructor, static member, static constructor, private constructor, there are various types of the constructor type, static constructor, private constructor, copy constructor, then destructor is used, then in this reference is used, nesting of the member, constant member, read only members and their properties and their indexers. It is you have learned in the classes and the object. Then inheritance you learn in the various subject like C++, Java. Inheritance, firstly what is the inheritance, their types, their classical inheritance, defining their subclass, their visibility control, subclass constructor, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, then overriding methods, abstract method, seal method, preventing the inheritance, polymorphism. It is learned in inheritance and the polymorphism. In the unit third, you learn the structure and the enumeration, classes and object, inheritance and the polymorphism. In the unit third, inheritance, you learn in the inheritance, operator overloading, managing errors and the exception. In the interface, multiple in the defining the inheritance, extending how to extend the interface, implementing the interface and the inheritance, how to use the interface and the inheritance, explicit interface implementation, abstract class and the interface. It is learning the interface topic. Then operator overloading. What is the operator overloading? Overloaded the operator overloading, defining the operator overloading, overloading the unary operator, overloading the binary operator, overloading the comparison operator. Is learned in the operator overloading. In the managing errors and the exception, what is the debugging, their types of their error, their exception, how to handle the exception handling, how to handle the multiple catch statement and the exception hierarchy, general catch handler, and finally statement, nested try block, throwing own exception, check and uncheck operation, and using exception for the debugging. In the unit 4, you learn interface, operator overloading, and managing error and the exception. Total syllabus of the C#.NET is totally conceptual basis. In the unit first, you learn introducing the C#, understanding the .NET, overview of the C#, literals, variable and the data type, operators, and the unit second, decision making statements, methods, and handling the error. In the unit third, structures and the enumeration, classes and object, inheritance and the polymorphism. In the unit 4, interface, operator overloading, managing error and the exception. This is the syllabus of the C#.NET. Now see the paper pattern of C#.NET. Paper pattern of C#.NET. In the question first is asked 2-mark question. In the 2-mark question, it's compulsory attempt the 8 question A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B is asked from the unit 1. C and D it is asked from the unit 2. E and F It is asked from the unit 3 and G and R. It is asked from the unit 4. It is a 2-mark question. All questions are 2 marks. It is a compulsory question. It is asking from the unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is a 2-mark question. Then the second question, it is a 3-mark question. It is same. Second question, it is asking from the first, second, A, B, C, D, A, B. It is asking from the unit 1, B, C and D. It is asking from the unit 2. Then E and F, it is asking from the 2 questions, is asking from unit 3. And G and H, it is asking from the unit 4. It is a 3-mark question. It is also compulsory question. Answer not more than the 5 lines, and the question 1, it is not answer more than the 2 lines. And then next is question 6. Question 3 is 5 marks question. Question 3. Please, the question 3 is 5 mark question. It is asking from A, unit 1, and B, asking from unit 1. They are both a 5 mark question, and their R is unit 1 from it is a 10-mark question. Either you attend the both questions of unit 1, either you attend the C part of the question 3, it is 10-mark question. Then question 4, it is asking from unit 2, from unit 2, it is a 5-mark question, and in the R, it is 10-mark question. Either you attend the question 4, A and B, or either attend the 10-mark question C question. It is compulsory, asking from the unit 2, it is a 10-mark question. Either you attend the A or B, or either you attend the C question, it is a 10-mark question. Same question is 5th question. Fifth question, it is asking from the unit 3. It is 5-mark question, or either you attend the 10-mark question, it is a 5-mark, it is a 10-mark question, it is a either you attend the A or B, it is a 5-mark question, or attend the 10-mark question, it is asking from the unit 3rd, it is a question number 5. Then the question number 6, it is asking from the unit 4. Either you attend the 5-mark questions of 5-mark questions of unit 4 question, or attend the either question of 10-mark question, it is asking from the unit 4. This is the paper pattern of C#.NET. It is 80 marks paper. Time is 3 hours. This is the whole syllabus of in the question 4. You are asking the questions of 8 questions from the all 4 units. And in the question second, all the questions are 8 questions are asking marks is 3 marks question, and the unit 4 question number 3rd is 5-mark question is asking from the unit 1, and the question number 4 is asking from the unit 2, question number 5th is asking from unit 3, and question number 6 is asking from the question unit number 4. It is a paper pattern of C#.NET. Now start the first topic of introducing the C Sharp. In the next lecture, you start the syllabus of the C Sharp.net, and the first topic introducing the C Sharp. Thank you. Close your session.